This is an area view for our projects. An area view. Let me actually show you the surroundings. Let me show you the surroundings. Oh gosh. What you are seeing there is Owerri Port Harcourt Road. That's those cars you are seeing flying over there. That's Owerri Port Harcourt Road. And that particular junction is Afu Junction. That junction you are seeing over there. Let me zoom it so you can see it clearly. That's Afu Junction, the popular Afu Junction. That's the junction you are seeing over there. You can see that fuel station canopy there. That's popular Afu Junction. So we are just a stone throw to Afu Junction. Thank God so far we have gone with this project. Thank God so far. We are doing the template now. After which we now switch over to the concrete version.